Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete TapSwap task. So the first step you need to do is to open the Telegram. So once you open, so let's suppose once you are in here, you simply need to open TapSwap and click on play. So once you click on play, it will open TapSwap. So now you are in the dashboard and here you can see tasks. So you simply need to click on that and here you can see cinema, special league and referral. So first is cinema, so watch the first video. So you simply need to click here and you simply need to click on start mission. Once you click on that and you need to watch a video, and after that you can get 200k coins. Okay, and this is the next task and you simply need to complete all these tasks to earn these coins. So once you complete that, you simply need to come on to the special, click on join our socials, join our YouTube, join token YouTube channel. So you need to complete this, and after that you need to come on to the league and you simply need to claim for the bronze. Here you can see that my coins increased, and here is a reference. You can invite one friend, invite 3 friends, so it is up to you. So you can invite 10,000 1 lakh friends as well to earn this much of coins. So this is a process that you need to follow to complete the task on TapSwap. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.